Dear friends, welcome to Learning About. In this video, I'm going to share recruitment information from more than 5 different companies. Now, these are mostly like single location based hiring, but good companies and good roles. So, first one, Zoho, they are hiring freshers for the role of software developers. So, who can now? Very importantly, the location is Coimbatore, and the test location is also Coimbatore. Okay, so so which means like you have to be like physically present there. And qualification is like BSc or MSc Physics, Mathematics, Computer Science, IT, and of course BCA and MCA graduates can also apply for this. Now the candidates who have graduated in 2020, 2021 and 2022, so these 3 batches can apply. Now the current final years, that is a 2023 batch, not eligible for this. Okay, so this is Coimbatore location. They're hiring for the role of software developers. So you have a form to fill. Okay, so the regular form of Zoho. Right now, if you have any experience, you can share. Otherwise, you can just without any you can just leave out those columns, and whatever skill sets that you have, like C, C++, Java or iOS or Android, Python, others, whatever skill sets you have to mention that, and then you have to upload your resume. Okay, so this is Zoho hiring software developers for their Coimbatore location. So this information was posted by one of their employees very recently, like probably in the past 3 days or something. So this is Zoho hiring software developers. Now next one, so this is not exactly like freshers. They're expecting at least 6 months of experience. Okay, so 6 months to 5 years of experience can apply for this. Now this is Zoho hiring iOS developer. The work location is Chennai, right? And the desired skills are like proficient with Shift UI and Cocoa Touch, proficient in working with iOS frameworks such as Core Data, Core Animation, Core Graphics, Core Text, etc. Experience working on applications designed to support iPad, multi-threading and interactive transitions, right? So familiarity with networking, consuming RESTful web services, JSON parsing and WebSocket connections, etc. is what they have mentioned. Okay, so responsibilities is like you'll be translating designs and wireframes into high quality code, responsible for building an applications and maintaining high performance, reusable, reliable code, etc. is what they have mentioned. So Zoho hiring iOS developer, right? So the link to apply for this also, like I have provided in the description below, right? So at least 6 months of experience is what they are, minimum of 6 months of experience they are asking for this particular role, right? Now next one, Cognizant, they are hiring software engineer for their Bangalore location. So this was posted very recently, that is just today, September 30th. So software engineer, so you'll be basically like part of all the various activities of the software development life cycle. So the qualification they have just mentioned graduate. Okay, so the specifics are not given. So you'll be part of delivering superior engineering outcomes. Okay, so fostering strong competency, operating efficiently, right? So building engineering mindshare. Must have skills, very important. They have mentioned Spring Boot, AngularJS, Java. These are the must have skills, and good to have skills they have mentioned like Spring MVC, Spring Core SQL, JavaScript, MySQL, data strategy and delivery. This is what they have mentioned. So for this role, you can even at the entry level you can expect like salary like more than 4 lakhs for this particular role. So software engineer hiring, very recently posted one. The location is Bangalore, Cognizant. Now another job role in Cognizant, okay, posted on 26th of September. Associate projects, that the location is Chennai location. Bachelor of Science, Commerce or Engineering or equivalent is what they have mentioned. So responsibilities will be, you'll be part of taking care. You'll be looking you'll be working on the business or the consumer, performing SOP activities with business performing SOP activities with business impact, understanding of customer environment, and then contribute to improving the standard operating procedures, adherence to customer security and compliance requirements, implementation of approved change request in line with customer change management process, etc. Right, and you'll be part of the process project. Okay, so where you'll be reviewing CSAT feedback, ensure timely implementation of corrective actions, etc. Right. and so you'll be working with people, so and here must have skills mentioned is Python. Okay, so if you have like Python skills, you can apply, and of course good to have skills they have mentioned as AWS, that is Amazon Web Services. Okay, so if you have these skills, you can apply. Apart from this particular location, this particular project, there are also other projects. Okay, so you can just click on the similar links and then check if something is suitable to you, maybe some other technology other than Python. Okay, something else if you have, like, you can try applying for that. Okay, so this is Cognizant Chennai hiring associate projects. Okay, so you also have like another role, like associate projects in Chennai itself. Okay, so they're also calling it as like senior product specialist, wherein they're asking for science or engineering graduate, wherein you'll be part of project management, design and implementation, or like testing or knowledge management, people management. Okay, so you might be part of any of this. The must-have skills they have mentioned like Labware LV, and now this was posted on September 27th. Okay, so this is also like from Cognizant. So 3 different opportunities from Cognizant, but these are exactly not exactly like mass recruitments. Okay, so the number of vacancies will be very limited, so those who are interested and those who have the specific skills that are required can go for this. The next one, Wipro, they are hiring analyst for their Chennai location, right? So now this also, like, if you see, like, you'll be part of like various the product development life cycle or software development life cycle. Okay, so you can just go through this, right? So they have not given any specific like degree or batch, like who can apply and all that. Okay, so you can just go through the job description, and then if you find it suitable, you can apply for this analyst role. But freshers can very much apply for this, and also please apply like quickly, as quickly as possible, because last time within a few hours of uploading video, the Wipro like the apply page, the candidates were not able to apply. Okay, so another role in Wipro, analyst programmer. Okay, analyst programmer, again Chennai location. Okay, so this is has to do somewhat with testing. Okay, so will be instrumental in understanding the test requirements and test case design of the product to design and execute automation framework and reporting, status reporting, and customer focus on the ongoing basis with respect to testing and its execution. Okay, so that is what is like mostly mentioned here, right? And so they have just mentioned some skills, okay, and competencies levels. Again, they have not mentioned specific degree or batch, etc. So if you can just go through this. If you find it suitable, you can just go ahead and apply. Now this analyst programmer role is mostly related to testing. Okay, so they have given purpose of this role is to prepare test cases and performing the product platform solution to be deployed at a client end, and ensure it meets 100% quality assurance parameters, is what they have given an overall picture for this particular role. There is one more role, test engineer in Chennai. Okay, but the number of openings they have mentioned like only 2. So this is also test related role. So those who are interested in testing, because occasionally I get comments asking for roles related to testing. So this is again freshers are also eligible for this, more or less the competency levels and other things they are given same as the previous one. So you can just go through this, and if you are eligible and willing, please go for this. Now another one, so this is through firstnaukri.com, or rather naukri.com. Toshiba, they are hiring trainee engineer 2022 passed out. So who can apply? BE, B.Tech, ME, M.Tech, CSE, ECE, IT, basically like CSE, IT and related branches can apply for this, but they are asking for like a minimum of 70% in 10th, 12th and degree. Okay, so 2022 passed out, minimum of 70% in 10th, 12th and degree. The job location is Bangalore, and they are expecting computer architecture knowledge, strong C and C++ programming skills, very strong analytical skills and good communication skills, etc. Right, so those who have C++, programming skills, and with 70%, and from CSE, EC and IT and related background from ME or B.Tech of 2022, you can apply for this role in Toshiba, right? So this was posted just like one day before. Those are interested can go for this. Another hiring. Now this is from Shell, Associate IT Operations Engineer. Now this is Bangalore location. So this was posted on 28th of September, right? Work location Bangalore, I said, right? So this again you can just go through this Associate IT Operations Engineer. If you are interested, you can go for this. So skills and requirements, they have mentioned bachelor's degree or equivalent work experience, strong and proven problem solving, troubleshooting, analytical skills, ability to work in a team oriented collaborative environment, and all the regular stuff. Okay, so influencing and showcasing stakeholder management skills, working with both in country and remote teams. Okay, so being competent in English language, experience in Workday, HR functions, and other ERP systems is an advantageous, right? So virtually working in global environment with culturally diverse team across many organizational boundaries of HR and IT is what they have mostly like mentioned. So you might have to work on the Workday platform, or like other the ERP systems or HR related platforms, right? So probably like any graduate who is interested or who has some relevant skills towards HR, you can try for this. Okay, so Shell, a good company and good role, Associate IT Operations Engineer. So all the relevant links are provided in the description below. Those who are interested can go for this, right? Now the last one, HP, they are hiring software engineer now for their Bangalore location. So who can apply for this? Now usually, so though they have not really specifically mentioned here, usually they go for CSE IT and related branches. Okay, so engineering branches, CSE IT and related branches, like recent freshers can also apply for this particular role. Okay, so they're calling it, though they in generic they have mentioned like software engineer, inside the job description they're calling as a ServiceNow administrator. Okay, so if you have some exposure towards ServiceNow also, you can try, but even otherwise you can give it a try. Okay, right? So this is HP hiring software engineer. So this is again another entry level role for their Bangalore location. Okay, right? So with this I come to the end of this video. I hope whatever little information I have shared, though it was very little, I hope this was useful to you. And if you have any queries, please post your questions in the comment section below. And if you have not already subscribed to our channel, please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching the video. Have a great day.